futhi yabo akayenza next, so it's hip hop, you get it.
I can't waste studio time like that.
Imagine if Drake said he can't waste studio time, or if Kendrick said I can't waste studio time.
Akafuna ushawa Sol. Akafuna ushawa.
No, but as an MC, you gotta.
Ongomoya yoni parala velela ngithuka mahlangana liyabaleka ngithi namanje lisathuka MT uthusula kana hit dako umuntu omkhuhlana unebhabhala silelini ngathi awukazi uwini sama phela ubanda mpo wayigcine ambitious hit.
I can't waste studio time like
Sathi ngine apartheid nginiki test avocado angijiving efuba dos ku rap ngiqopha umlando entringe 325 ngilokhu ngisidlalela umakhado wena idlozile yahlatshela wagcina hit ngomanandi namanje ngi hip hop kade ngaba iMC ngidrop ama 16 eranking ngibhalele taxini yakwendlala nencika ngizima ukubamba iKFC yini ikhadi liya decline iATM iMT inani ngidlela umona futhi niyashesha nokhohle